All right, what up, y'all? It's Matt. So I'm working on my four-wheeler. I got it behind me right here. And I got a 2-minute tip for y'all for taking apart these U-joints. So I see people doing this the hardest way possible all over internet, all over YouTube. They do it the hardest way possible. So I'm going to flip y'all around and show you exactly how I do it. It takes about 2 seconds. Check this out. All right, so I got this U-joint here, and it's still in the yoke thing. And you can see these clips. We're going to have to pound these clips off real quick. But I got the C-clamp in the background, and that's not what the trick is. That's what you don't use. That's what everyone else uses. And they try to pound them. They try to press them out in a vise. They try to use the C-clamp and put a socket here and press it out that way. All that is mess. That's a mess. So I'm going to show you the best way to do it. This thing's falling apart. I got a replacement. I'm going to show you the best way to do it, y'all. Let me pound these clips off, and then we'll be right back. All right, so what you do is you go and get this. Go get an air hammer. Go down to Harbor Freight, $10. Buy an air hammer. This is what you use to take them apart. Trust me. I'll show you how fast this works, but don't give me the excuse that you don't have one. They're literally, this is an Ingersoll Ram, but you can literally go down to Harbor Freight and pay $10, and it'll come with like 3 bits. And you can get them apart. So check this out. I'll put links in the description where y'all can get this one, where you can get really good ones on Amazon. So check out those links in the description. But I'm about to pound this thing out. Done. It's out. It's apart. Now it's stuck this way. You get the idea. So it's going to destroy the bearings, I'm sure, but these are already destroyed. I have replacements. So, so basically now you just pound it back the other way and then pound it out. Hold on. Let me get it out. All right, other side. Out. Done. Done. You just got to make sure you don't scratch this up. So you make sure that this doesn't hit inside here and mess it up. But yeah, that was flawless. So that's the trick, guys. All right, y'all. So that's my trick. That's it for the video. It's a little bit longer than 2 minutes, but whatever. So, yeah. So you use the air hammer just because, if it's in a weird spot, like under the vehicle, or, like there's one like way down in there, or it's on each end of the motor like this thing, and you cannot get it off by beating it with a sledgehammer and like a chisel or something like that. You'll destroy everything because you got to remember, every time you bang on that thing, you're vibrating everything else around it. So like the diff, you beat on it with the sledgehammer, it's gonna break something. With this thing, you just put it right there. Bam, right there. Focus right in that spot. Now this is a flat tip. If you get the pointed tip, it's way better. You can put it on there and then it'll dig in and just push it right out. Just push it right out. No problem. But yeah, like I said, that's the ticket. Don't try to use a C-clamp. Don't try to use a vice grip or bench vise. Under a vehicle, don't do it. Get a $10 air hammer. Hopefully you have a compressor that'll run it. That's my trick, y'all. If this tip helped y'all out, drop me a huge thumbs up down below. Don't forget to comment and subscribe for me putting the rest of this four-wheeler back together. I'm working hard on those videos. For now, y'all, I'm out. Peace.